Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and today I have a Franklin half dollar from 1951. So on the obverse here it says Liberty, has Benjamin Franklin, and God We Trust, 1951. Look at the condition on this one, it's really good. Really good. Got a reeded edge here. On the reverse, United States of America, half dollar, e pluribus unum. There's an eagle to the right. And right there in center, we have the Liberty Bell. You can kind of see the writing there, Passed and Stowe, Philadelphia. And there's some more writing up top. You see it better with your eyes. That's all I wanted. The guy I got this from, I said, I don't care what year the Franklin half is. I just want to be able to read the writing on the Liberty Bell. So he came through on that, and I'm very happy with this coin. Very happy. Look at that. Really, really cool. So yeah, this was designed, obverse and reverse, designed by John Sinnott, or Sinnock. I'm not sure how to pronounce his name exactly. On the reverse, he had some help by Gilroy Roberts. So Roberts helped with the reverse in some way, in shape or form. Really cool. Yeah, celebrating one of our founding fathers. This was made between 1948 and 1963, celebrating Benjamin Franklin, one of our founding fathers. He was an author, a humorist, a scientist, a diplomat, an activist. He was everything you'd ever want in a founding father. He was that. One of the men who founded this great nation, the United States of America. Really great guy, international figure. This coin is made with 90% silver. That's 0.36 ounces of silver in this. And the silver content in here is worth $5. Actually, more than $5. $5 and change. That's a lot of silver for something that's a 50-cent denomination. Really cool. See, I just wanted to show that off. Show off my beautiful Franklin half. I'm starting to get into American coins now, you know, what we call junk silver. I've only had eagles and sunshines before I started collecting other country silver, and now I just want to get into some pre-64s and some junk and some just older American coins. So this is really cool. This is a good addition to my collection. This is more of a collection piece than a stacking piece. And I'm really happy I got this. Benjamin Franklin. He was a slave owner earlier in his his life, but then towards the end, he wrote about abolishing slavery and how to integrate freed blacks into American society. Like I said, he's one of those figures that you really want to found a nation, because it takes a lot for someone to be able to switch their positions on a subject. Just to make sure every citizen in this nation can pursue happiness and liberty and all that stuff. So yeah, one of the great founding fathers of this great nation. And don't let anyone tell you different. This is a great nation. The United States of America. All right, everyone. I'm Southside Stacker. I'll see you all in the next one. And yeah, let's act like I said some more words after that. Peace.